In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off and on instant booking on Vrbo. Whether you're a seasoned host or just getting started, understanding how to manage your booking settings is crucial for maintaining the control you desire over your property rental. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to select the specific listing you want to adjust. If you manage multiple properties, be sure to choose the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've logged into your Vrbo account, you should find your list of properties on the dashboard. Click on the property you wish to adjust. This step ensures that any changes you make will apply only to the property you're currently working on. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll need to select the option labeled Property. This menu is your main hub for all settings related to your listing, so familiarizing yourself with it can be quite beneficial for future adjustments. Once you've clicked on Property, look for Rules and Policies. This section is where you'll manage various settings regarding guest interactions and expectations. By clicking on this, you'll have access to all the important guidelines that govern how you want your property to be rented. Within the Rules and Policies section, you'll see a tab labeled Booking Type. Typically, this is the last tab on the right within the Rules section. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the settings that control how your booking requests are handled. Now, you're presented with two options: instant booking and 24-hour review. If you choose instant booking, guests will be able to book your property immediately without needing your approval. This option is great for those who prefer a hands-off approach and want to ensure high occupancy rates by allowing guests to book seamlessly. On the other hand, if you prefer to have more control and wish to screen your guests before confirming a booking, you might opt for the 24-hour review option. With this setting, you have up to 1 day to manually accept or decline booking requests. This can be particularly useful if you want to vet guests or have specific requirements that you want to ensure are met before confirming a reservation. After you've made your selection, it's important not to forget to click Save. This step ensures that all your changes are properly recorded and applied to your listing. Without saving, any adjustments you make will not take effect, so make sure this step is completed. And there you have it. You now know how to turn off and on instant booking on Vrbo. By managing these settings, you can tailor your hosting experience to fit your comfort level and operational style, giving you the peace of mind to manage your property effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.